Marriage can be daunting with the serious steps it poses for relationships, commitments, and financial questions. And it's okay that marriage may not be right for everyone. There are many reasons you may never get married, and that could be fine. Some signs that you may not get married include valuing your independence, loving the single life, a preference for sexual freedom, or just finding your happiness elsewhere, like in your friendships or career. People who have seen or experienced the impact of bad marriages may be less likely to get married themselves, having been put off from the institution or fearing divorce. Cohabitating with your partner or valuing platonic relationships can also impact your new view on marriage, as you may find the legal aspect of marriage unappealing or just unnecessary. Finally, marriage just might not be a priority for you, and that's okay. Ultimately, regardless of any signs you may or may not get married, what's important is to make choices that align with your goals and values, and avoid feeling pressured to conform to societal expectations.